All right, guys, Hey guys, so I just got home from work and I was pleasantly surprised to find a package on my doorstep that I have been waiting for 6 months.
My spirit hates long waits.
Not quite 6 months, but damn near close to it. It's an item for the Type R. It's a JDM item. I got it from Blitz, and I know Blitz makes a bunch of stuff, but this one in particular has to do with the exhaust. It's not a full exhaust because, as you know, in my previous video, I am happy with my resonator delete and the MRT mid pipe I had installed. I'm cool with that sound. I also did Honda. I did the, in Type R mode, I have it so I got the Integra Type S, like pops and bangs, if you want to call it that. They bang a little bit. So I'm happy with that. But I wanted something to make it look pretty.
All this girly girl pixie crap.
So these things, when I saw them, I was like, oh, I gotta have these. They're perfect. Anyway, it's carbon fiber. They have some red in them, red accents or what do they call it? Anodized tips. I just got the package. It's right here. I cracked it, but I have not opened it. So let's do it together right now. Here we go. That's for the muffler shop. I have no idea what that is. Here's some specs, all in Japanese. If the muffler people need this, I'll take it just in case if they speak Japanese. All right, here we go. Oh man, I see the red already through the plastic. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Wow. Man, they packed this really good, which they should because they were expensive. Oh my gosh, these are gorge. Oh, wow. Look at that. Is that not a work of art or what?
Extremely badass.
That is going to look so sweet sitting out the ass end of my Type R FL5. It reminds me of Iron Man when he's having Jarvis, paint the first suit and he's like, give me some hot rod red. Kind of looks like that. That is just going to look great, guys. I cannot wait. And I got the other, I'm not going to bore you with opening the other two, but they're all the same size, same diameter. I think they're 3.5 or maybe 4. So it's all 3 of them are going to be the same. Anyway, I'm off tomorrow, so I'm going to call the Performance Muffler Shop and see if they can get these things put on for me. And then we'll see what they look like. There they are, guys. The Blitz, carbon fiber, anodized red for the FL5. All right, guys. I cannot snap. That's pathetic. That sounds like shit. After. I cannot snap to save my life. That sucked. That's ridiculous. Cut. Fuck.
Well, you really suck.
There's my snap. Take it for all it's worth. That's a snap. Before. Voila. What do you guys think? I think it looks awesome. It's exactly like I envisioned it. Check it. It really pops. It goes with the rest of the red on the car. And if I can get the carbon fiber wing at some point, I know that has like a red weave in it, the OEM one, which will go perfect with these incredible JDM Blitz tips. I'm very pleased with this, guys. None of it was cheap, but it was cheaper than a full exhaust. I'll tell you that. Wow. All right, let's hear this bitch. Rum rum. That was sweet, dude. Blitz for the win.
Winning.
So yeah, guys, that's the finished product. It only took 6 months to make it happen. So yeah, if you want these, put your order in now, guys. You might get it by summer, but well worth the wait, well worth it for something this unique. There's not a lot like this out there. I like it a lot. All right, guys, until next time, this is Lacey. I'm out. Peace.